For departure, Southwest 856 out of 7 for 10,000.
Southwest 856, number departure, radar contact, line maintain, flight level 230, proceed direct Shoujo.
Shoujo and 230, Southwest 856.
Southwest 856, contact Denver Center 132.22, good morning.
And Center Southwest 856, we have a mechanical issue here. We'll declare an emergency at this time. I'd like to just stay with you for now.
Southwest 856, roger, men ask you maintain 13,000 and say the nature of your emergency.
Alright, 13,000, and we've got a number 2 engine failure. I'd like to just request a heading for now.
Southwest 856, roger, do you want to come back in at this time, or you just want to run the checklist?
Run the checklist first.
Southwest 856, turn left, heading 010.
010 heading Southwest 856.
Southwest 856, how much fuel do you have on board and how many people? Southwest 856, you clear back to Denver via radar vectors.
Radar vectors, and 2.5 hours of fuel, and 22 souls on board Southwest 856.
Southwest 856, you said 2222?
Affirm, 22 is Southwest 856.
Southwest 856, roger, and let me know which runway you prefer. The long one is 16 right if you want that one, or we can switch up for 17 right. That's the closest to you right now.
Okay, stand by, thanks.
Southwest 856, fly heading 350, maintain 11,000. Southwest 856, fly heading 350, maintain 11,000.
11,000, 350, heading Southwest 856.
Southwest 856, do you have a runway preference?
Do 16 right, Southwest 856. We're going to need about 5 minutes here at least to get set up.
So with 856, just let me know when you're ready to come inbound. We'll just keep you on this heading for now.
Okay, appreciate it.
Southwest 856, traffic 10 o'clock, 5 miles eastbound out of 7,500 for 10,000 in Airbus.
Okay, Southwest, inside Southwest 856.
Southwest 856, descend and maintain 9 or 1,000. Let me know when you can take a turn to the west. Get your start to line up for the field. Southwest 856, can you accept a turn to the west? Try to keep it closer toward the field. Southwest 856, turn left heading 270. Southwest 856, switch to final frequency 123.85.
2385, Southwest 856. Southwest 856, 270 heading 9,000 for 16 right.
Southwest 856, Denver approach, good morning, and do you guys want to turn towards the field or do you want to vectors now?
We could start turning towards the field, Southwest 856.
Southwest 856, roger, I have a turn to intercept the runway 16 right, localizer shortly.
Okay. 00, intercept 16 right, localizer, Southwest 856.
Southwest 856, Denver Airport, 12 o'clock and 17 miles.
Airport in sight, and if you could, roll the emergency equipment, and we can get clear visual. Thanks.
Southwest 856, thanks. Clear visual approach runway 16 right, emergency crew standing by.
Clear the visual 16 right, Southwest 856, thank you.
Southwest 856, contact tower 124.3, good morning.
243, Southwest 856, morning. Tower, Southwest 856, visual 16 right.
Southwest 856, Denver Tower, wind 190 at 8, runway 16 right, clear to land.
16 right, clear to land, Southwest 856. Tower, Southwest 856. We're going to shoot for either Delta 5. If we can't make that, it might be Whiskey Bravo.
Exit your discretion.
Okay.
Southwest 856, do you still plan to exit?
We do. We'll go for Delta 5, Southwest 856.
That's fine, Southwest 856, take your time. And do you want to taxi to the gate, or would you like the trucks to inspect you?
We can go to the gate, Southwest 856.
Roger. Southwest 856, you can taxi with me via Delta 5, Whiskey Bravo. And it looks like you're going to gate Charlie 29. Is that what you're showing?
Yeah, that's what we're showing too. So Delta 5, Whiskey Bravo.
Yep, Southwest 856. If you want to talk to the city ops truck that will be following you, they're on 127.5.
Okay, we'll give them a call.